You think your garden is safe? Think again. There are 14 silent climbers, 14 perennial secrets, that are plotting to take over your vertical spaces year after year. They'll scale your trellises, drape your fences, and lure creatures to your yard. Some are beautiful, some are aggressive, and one is literally the reason you might be feeding caterpillars to turn into butterflies. Get ready, because these beautiful perennial vines are about to take your garden to new heights, whether you want them to or not. Trumpet Vine, a summer explosion of orange, red, or yellow. A fast-growing beacon for hummingbirds, thriving even in the most challenging spots. This vine loves full sun, tolerates drought and neglect, and actually prefers poor soil. The less you feed it, the happier it is. But be warned, the native varieties are incredibly aggressive, spreading through the underground stems that can make it quite the neighborhood bully if you don't contain it. Next, meet the deceptive false hydrangea vine. It looks remarkably like its cousin, the climbing hydrangea, but boasts even showier flowers. Large white petal-like bracts add texture and light to shaded walls, and some varieties even show pink accents. It thrives in partial to full shade, as long as the soil drains well. Meet the underappreciated native, Dutchman's pipe, a foliage champion with massive heart-shaped leaves up to 10 inches wide, forming a lush green curtain. Its strange pipe-shaped purple flowers appear in spring, often hidden beneath the canopy. And here's the suspicious part. If you see caterpillars munching away, don't panic. It's a host plant for the swallowtail butterfly. Bittersweet, a quick climber and a fall favorite for crafters. It pays off in autumn with tiny yellow leaves and clusters of yellow-orange fruits revealing bright red seeds. Easy to grow in full sun and well-drained soil. But here's the catch. To get those beautiful fruits, you'll need both a male and a female plant. And whatever you do, choose Native American Bittersweet. Its oriental look-alike is an invasive menace. Want a touch of the tropics that's surprisingly tough? The hardy Passionflower delivers. An easy-growing vine from the southeast US, producing masses of intricate lavender summer flowers. It's late to emerge in spring, but once it does, it takes off in full sun. And just like the Dutchman's pipe, it's a host plant for butterflies. So go ahead, let those caterpillars feast. But be cautious, it spreads aggressively through underground runners, and it's highly flammable, so maybe keep it off the house. Few vines rival the versatility of Clematis. It blooms from early spring through fall in nearly every color imaginable. Evergreen varieties exist for milder climates too, making it a trellis superstar. Clematis loves full sun, but insists on moist, well-drained soil, so pay attention, it's particular. The prize for the best foliage, that goes to Akebia, the chocolate vine. Its delicate blue-green leaves divide into 5 perfect leaflets, while its purple or white spring flowers release a subtle chocolate scent. It thrives in full sun and rich, moist soil, and if you plant 2 different varieties, you might even get edible fruit. For your shadiest corner, Novine is more elegant than the climbing hydrangea. It graces dark walls with fluffy white flower clusters in summer. Perfect for shaded fences or stone walls, but prepare for a long wait. It's a slow grower. It needs moist soil and a strong support for its eventual hefty weight. Boston Ivy, the autumn champion. Its 3-lobed leaves burst into fiery red at season's end. A fast, adaptable climber thriving in sun or shade in almost any soil. Small purple fruits attract birds, and it climbs with tiny suction cups so strong you'll struggle to pull it off once it's settled in. For a true butterfly haven, plant Honeysuckle vine. Easy care, fragrant, and ideal for smaller gardens. It reaches about 20 feet with tubes of red, orange, and yellow summer blooms. It loves full sun, well-drained soil, but check your local area first. Some types can become invasive. Want a splash of color beyond flowers? Try the variegated Kiwi. Its leaves start green then mature into pink and white splendor. A vigorous grower with fragrant white summer blooms, happy in full sun or parched shade. Just give it well-drained loam soil. Not all grapes are for eating. The purple leaf grape is a visual feast. Its deep purple foliage glows red in the fall, and like all grapes, it's a fast grower that thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. Perennial sweet pea, charming, colorful, and perfect for small spaces. It climbs to about 6 feet, blooming pink or white all summer long. It craves full sun and excellent drainage, or rot will find it. Beware though, it can spread by suckers and may even be classified as weedy in some areas. Check before you plant. And finally, Wisteria, the vine that gardeners love and sometimes fear. It delivers glorious fragrant cascades of blue, purple, pink, or white in spring. But beware, the Asian species are notorious invaders, sending underground runners to conquer your entire garden. If you crave its beauty without the battle, choose Kentucky or American Wisteria instead. 14 perennial climbers, they're out there waiting, planning to take over your fence, your arbor, your entire vertical world. The only question is, which one will you let in? Tell us in the comments. And if you dare to unleash this kind of beauty in your yard, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more secrets from the garden.